Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this set today I'm going to be doing a gin and prosecco inspired set. So I've already removed my client's previous design, I've prepped the natural nail, I've just dehydrated and now I'm priming. So these are my client's natural nails, so they're absolutely beautiful, so we don't need to do a great deal to these. And I'm now going to apply a clear base on this whole hand. This first colour that I'm going to be using is from Urban Nails and it is a black sparkly acrylic. It's absolutely beautiful, super pigmented, so you have to be super careful around the cuticle area and sidewalls as always, but with a black it can just bleed a little bit and then it will look really messy. So that's on the little nail. On the ring finger I'm going to be using Team Gorgeous Milkshake. Now at the moment my clients are loving this. I've got it on my nails and it's becoming a firm favourite. So if you want a discount or anything, go on the website, which I'll pop the description below, and you can get a discount using the code Emma, which is super cool. And just look at that colour. It's just a proper gorgeous milky pink white. It's beautiful. And then on this middle nail, again, I'm going to be using Team Gorgeous, so I'm going to be using the Milkshake. Then I'm going to be using some Tulip and Starlet, which is a gorgeous pinky gold colour. So Tulip is now going to go on, and she's just so pretty. She is such a gorgeous pink. I've got so many pinks, and they're all beautiful in their own right, but yeah, that is just beautiful. And then there's Starlet. How cute is she? So I'm just marbling that together, and once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop on a little bit of Nail Sugar's Pink Prosecco glitter. I'm just only applying small little flecks of this on there because I don't want it to overtake the marble. And then back to this pointer finger, we're going to be doing the whole nail in that Urban Nails black. Now I'm going to be using that pink Prosecco again just on this little nail. I wasn't going to, but then I changed my mind and I went back to it and I was like, no, we need glitter. So we're popping some on there, and then on that thumbnail I'm going to go back in with that gorgeous Milkshake. So on this hand we're going to be doing it the same, but this is going to be our Prosecco hand. So the colours are going to be slightly different. So I'm starting again with that clear base, and then I will go in with some colour. So the index finger is going to have that Urban Nails black again. This colour is super gorgeous. It's got like a silver shimmer to it. I think you can just about see it in the light. I've got another one and it's got some gold flecks in it, and that's quite cute as well, but I went with the more silvery toned one for this set. And then on that middle finger I'm going to be using the milkshake again and Team Gorgeous Buttercup, which is there, and it's got its own little shimmer in there. And then I'm going to be using an Urban Nails sparkly gold one. I can't give you the names because they're all numbers and I am useless at numbers, but I will get them and pop them in the description box. So there's that Buttercup, and these colours just blend super easy. And then I'm going to go back in with that milkshake and then a little bit of that Urban Nails gold shimmer there, and then that Buttercup again. And once I'm happy with that marble, I'm going to be using a little bit of Nail Sugar's Rose Gold Glitter. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to that because again I don't want to overtake that marble. Now this one is going to be a solid milkshake, the same as the other hand. I'm just going to apply that to this nail. Look at the coverage of that though, that's one bead guys, and that's amazing for such a milky colour. That is just, yeah, it's just beautiful. And then back in with that black again on that little nail, and then I'm going to apply some of that rose gold glitter at the cuticle area, and I'm just going to blend that down. And then I'm going to finish with that milkshake on the thumb. So now I'm just going to cap all of these nails with clear acrylic. And I'm going to start at the cuticle area and work my way down. And I'm going to make sure that all that glitter goes to a dull matte consistency. I don't want none of it sparkling. And I'm just going to cap these throughout, and then I'll be ready to file and shape these nails. So I've already filed and refined these nails, and now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of detail work. So I'm just popping down some base coat onto my little palette there, and then I'm going to be using Semilac Neon Pink, and I'm just going to mix it with that clear base coat, so I want to make it a little bit transparent. And then using a fine detail brush, I'm going to start creating my shape for my gin glass. So we're going with pink gin, and I'm just wishing that product around really. There's no real science to this bit, it's just do what you feel. And then I'm going to take a bit more of that neon pink, and I'm just going to sweep it from side to side, creating a little bit of depth at the bottom of that glass shape. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of that rose gold glitter and just mix that in, and then I'll cure it into the lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to do the same on the other hand, but we're going to create our prosecco glass. So I'm using that base coat again, and Semilac Samba Ramba, which is a gorgeous bronzy gold sparkly number. So I'm creating that transparency first, and then I'm going to start creating my shape of my glass, and then using a little bit more of that gold just at the bottom there to create a little bit more depth, and then going in with that rose gold glitter again. And once I'm happy, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm using Semilac art gel just to outline these glasses, and then I'm going to create a little bit of shadowing just across one side of the glass. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that white product to one side, and then I'm going to sweep it across slightly, and then I'm going to take a clean dry brush, and then I'm just going to blend in that shadowing a little bit, and then once I'm happy with how it's looking, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So on the ring finger we are going to be blinging this out. So I'm using Urban Nails Gem Gel. I'm just going to apply that where I want the start of my crystals to be. So we're going to create a cascading waterfall effect with these crystals. And the crystals I'm using are Swarovski crystals from Crystal Parade, and I'm using the blush range. And I'm just placing mixed sizes into that gel. And once I'm happy that I've got enough on there, I'm just going to move them about a little bit to make sure that they're all sitting nice and where I want them. And then I'm going to go in with some of the Clear Moon Swarovski crystals, again from Crystal Parade. And I'm just going to place a few of them down. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that gel and pop some more crystals coming down that nail. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to top coat all of these nails, and once I've top coated these, I'm going to go around the crystals with my detail brush, and I'm just going to make sure that they're all secure and that top coat is going around those crystals. I don't want it over the top, but I do want the top coat to be surrounding them. And then I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And as always, I'm going to finish this set with a little bit of cuticle oil. So don't forget, you can use the discount code on the Team Gorgeous website, and the code is Emma. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.